Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we have another haul. We have a galore, and this is a package from AliExpress, so we're gonna open that one first and see what we got. Okay, so it's a little tube with some pearls. It has a rose in it, well, some roses, diamonds, stuff like that, but I wasn't too impressed with it. The diamonds weren't flatbacks. It had, I'll show you the little peak at the bottom of it. So yeah, but that's what I got, and let's get into the main focus of the video. Okay, so I've ordered from them before and I absolutely love what I got. I'll show you what I have. I have two detailer brush, an 8mm and a 4mm, as well as their blooming gel. Absolutely love their products. Well, her products. I got some acrylic. So this is my first time using her acrylic. I got another brush, and yeah, so that's a cover powder that I was gonna try. I was surprised it was that big. I didn't even realize it was 4 ounce on the website. So when I got it, I was like, wow, that's crazy. Look at that print. It's a flower on top. Okay, so I'm trying to show you the color of this because it's brown, but it wasn't picking up much on camera, but you'll see it when I swatch it. So this is her little card, and that is what it says. It's a cute little message, and her social media information. This is a green with glitter inside of it. It says glow, so I'm thinking that it might be a glow powder. I'm not sure. Okay, so these are her top coat, the diamond steel. Everyone has been raving about this, so I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna show you the consistency. It's loose. It's not a thick top coat, but that's how I like it. And then a drill bit that I got. It's a cone drill bit. So I'm trying to show you the teeth on it, but yeah, I'm gonna be using it around the cuticle when I have my acrylic laid, so just to seal the cuticles. And I'm showing you her name on the bit. That's a cute little detail. Okay, so onto the brushes. It comes in that packaging for shipping, so the brush is secure. This is the 20mm liner brush. When you open it, the bristles are secure with that little packaging, and then there we have it. So I'm trying to show you how thin it is. It's very thin. This can be used to do finer details as well, and I love that it comes with the little cover, and you could put it on the end of the brush when you're using it like a pencil. I love it. This is a fancy top. I broke it. Yes, I did. So yeah, I always throw away these packaging because I'm not using it. I just store the brush as is, so I don't put them back in this casing. But this is the BFF brush, and I'm gonna be using it for cleanups. So So you see me using it in this video. It's a flat top brush. I'm just breaking it in. Okay, so I just noticed that there's a hole on top of the brush. I'm not sure what's going on there, if I broke it or something, but I'm guessing it's allowing it to breathe. I don't know. So I'm showing you how I will be using it to clean up the sides of my nail when I'm doing any gel polish design and it spills over or stuff like that. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be using it for mostly. But of course, you know, you can use your brush for anything that you prefer. Okay, so let's get into swatching these acrylic powders because I have some things to say, okay? So first up, it's sealed. And look at this powder. It's like filled to the brim, okay? Okay, I was super surprised. So let me open up everything and then we can begin. All right, so I got you guys super close and let's get into the swatch. So this first one is the cover powder. So that's what the texture is looking like. When you put it on the nail, it starts to self-level and then you can start to mold the nail, the acrylic. So this is me brushing away the acrylic, but it gets better, I promise. So going in again, just to fill the bottom half of the nail. Again, that's what the texture is looking like. It doesn't look like that self-level pearl of acrylic. I'll have to pop up a picture or something to show you what I mean, but once it's on the nail, it starts to self-level and it looks like that perfect pearl of acrylic. So my thoughts on this: it's easy to blend, easy to use. It's self-levels, which is great. Coverage is definitely there. It's pigmented. The consistency is great. Yeah. And this nude is really, it's a really pretty color. I might purchase another nude that I see that I liked, maybe something a little bit lighter than this one. Look at that. Okay, so onto the next color, and it's that brown color. So I pick up a big bead, place it down, and it's not going anywhere. It's just starting to self-level. You can come in and you can take your time and you can mold it and pull the acrylic down to the tip. You can do it in one bead, you can do it in multiple beads. It's definitely up to you. I always do mine in multiple beads. Okay, but do you see the pigment? It's definitely there. I love this brown and I'll definitely be doing a full set of this brown. So onto the red, which I shouldn't have used the red because it's gonna contaminate the monomer, but I didn't want the glitter from the green to contaminate the red when it, so anyways, this is me pulling it down in that one bead. I was impressed. But I'm still gonna put another bead on top of it just to cover the rest of the tip. But this is a very beautiful red. I love it. Again, it self-levels, consistency is great, pigment is great, everything's just great. Okay, so with this acrylic, this is the first glitter acrylic I have tried from them. So this is the only one I can speak towards, but usually with glitter acrylics, sometimes when you go and you pick up the bead, it's really runny. And I'm guessing it's because of the glitter that's inside of it. But this one, it actually holds its shape. It's not too runny. Yeah, you can work with it and not have to chase it all over the place. So that's one thing I realized about this glitter acrylic, and it's gorgeous. So let's get into the nail set. So I'm just gonna use one acrylic. It's gonna be this brown. I'm only gonna do 2 nails, and then I'm gonna jump into the design. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some French tips. So I'm starting off after I filed the nail. I'm gonna put some matte top coat on, cure it for 60 seconds, and then use a white gel paint with the 20mm liner brush, and I'm gonna create my French tips. Then I'm gonna use the BFF brush and fill in the rest of the white on the French tip. Okay, so going in with my foil gel, I'm gonna put it just on the French tip and place it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna put my nail foils on. When you put on your nail foils, make sure to rub it in to the nail really good so that when you lift it off, the design transfers onto the nail properly. So this nail was giving me hell for all of the set, everything that I've been doing. Every time it falls out, and it's been a pain in the anyways. So I'm gonna use the top coat from Acrylic just on the French tips, because if you look on the brown part of the nail, you'll see some white smears of gel paint. So I want to wipe it off before I top coat the top of it. So yeah, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, then wipe it off with some acetone, and I didn't want to ruin the foil design, so that's why I top coated it. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is everything with the top coat and all that. I would definitely recommend this brand. The acrylics are bomb, the brushes are bomb. I'm gonna try their acrylic brush. But anyways, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.